it is necessary to define your goal before you spend money. Whether you are a big IT company or a manufacturing company or consultant, also politicians or large corporate, you need to do Facebook marketing campaign. There are three major categories of paid advertisement. Hello, I am Jyotindra Zaveri and I'm making this exclusive video for the internet moguls of the world school. Thank you, Avi Arya, for inviting me to share my work. In today's class, I will talk about Facebook advertising. This is very important topic. You see, I have seen people doing Facebook marketing, but it is necessary for us to understand the subtle difference between organic marketing and inorganic marketing. Today in this class, I would like to focus on inorganic marketing, that is paid advertisements. See, we need to do both. Organic is free, you do the posting and sharing and so on, but paid advertisement campaign where we pay money to Facebook to promote your brand. For marketing, it is important to understand the options which are available for paid advertisement. There are three major categories of paid advertisement. Please make a note. One is awareness campaign. Two is customization. Three is conversion. Now, let's go one by one. Let us talk about the awareness campaign. In awareness campaign, you have again two options: brand awareness and reach. It is necessary to define your goal before you spend money. You see, I have seen when you put a post, immediately Facebook will prompt you to do boosting. Do you want to do boost? With so much money, you will reach so many people, but don't get carried away. Think about your goal. Think about the budget you have planned for the month, and then choose wisely what kind of paid marketing campaign you want. So in case of brand awareness and reach, you need to understand that it is important that people know your brand. Now here, the e-commerce companies, those who have online catalog, must do proper brand awareness. You see, when people come to your site to buy your goods, they will see the product, nice picture and so on, price, offer. But if they don't trust your brand, will they give money? Your terms are that I will give you this particular product, you pay the advance. Now when the person is paying using debit card or internet options of transferring money, you need to create that trust in the mind of the person. That brand pull should be there. So I suggest you create a proper brand awareness campaign. The second is the kind of campaign you would like. Now here there are many considerations. In fact, there are 6 ways you can do the actual paid advertisement. What are these 6 ways? 1, traffic. you would like to increase the traffic to your website. So you can create a marketing campaign, pay money to Facebook and say, hey, I want people to visit my website. So the advertisement will appear on the Facebook and people will be asked to click on a link to come to your website. So that, or any link, any online asset. So here we are increasing the traffic. Another goal can be engagement. What is engagement? Like, comment and share. You see, it is important to have more engagement. Why? Because more like, more comment and more share, that means it is a good post. Now the algorithm is such that people will think that this is a good post. More importantly, the robot. Yeah, there is a robot. The algorithm. They will also see the software. The website is a software. Facebook will decide and understand this is a good post by way of more like and share. And that is why it is necessary to create advertisement for engagement. See, there are software companies who create apps and they would like to have more download. And then you can tell Facebook that this marketing campaign is to get more downloads of my app. That is the third kind. The fourth kind of marketing campaign, then that is my favorite, is video views. You see, video is today very important. Like video marketing has been neglected. I don't know, maybe people are shy or they do not have the necessary skill to create videos. Now, I have created 400 videos. I have more than 300,000 video views. But you need to do proper Facebook advertisement campaign to increase video views. Now here you can create a campaign. You can create the target audience, the demography, the age range, say from 24 to 40 or whatever, depending upon the kind of audience you are marketing your product or service. And the location you need to define. You can give a PIN code, a zip code, or a city, country, and let people view your advertisement accordingly. The fifth kind of marketing campaign is very important, maybe a little more expensive, that is lead generation. See, most companies, especially the startup, or I would say people who are not able to understand the proper social media marketing, they would go for lead generation. The fifth kind of advertisement campaign is lead generation. Now, typically, we have seen you have inquiry form. So on Facebook, paid advertisement campaign, you can create an inquiry form, name of the person, organization, mobile number, email address, and so on, and ask the person to actually fill up this. This is really good because half the sale is done when you get a proper inquiry from a person who is interested in your product or service. So do create inquiry generation, that is lead generation, that is the pre-sale. And then once you get the lead, you can take it forward, call the person, send an email, show the demo, and so on and so forth. The sixth kind of advertisement campaign is messages. In Facebook, we have Facebook Messengers. It's one of the most popular messaging platforms. besides WhatsApp. So Facebook Messenger campaign can also generate lot of inquiries. People will be able to see your message and respond to it. So these are the 6 kind of marketing campaign you can do in case of various consideration. The third category, I said 3 categories in the beginning: awareness, consideration, and conversion. Now, conversion is, I think, important because it is related with money. See, pre-sale is very good, important, but at the end of the day, you need money. When you are spending the money, you see, because people will talk about ROI, what is the return on investment? Hey, if I spend so much of money, how many actually conversion I will have? So on Facebook, you can do actually a nice marketing campaign for conversions. There are 3 kinds of conversions possible. Please make a note. This conversion means you are actually telling person to part with the money. The order comes. So you have catalog sales and store traffic. Typically for e-commerce website, you have hundreds of products. You put the price, the description, the picture, and maybe offer, and people will actually purchase. When people actually purchase, that is conversion. That means you have got the money. So in short, please do the advertisement campaign. A proper marketing campaign requires a nice strategy. How much money you want to spend on Facebook advertisement? How much you want to spend on a monthly basis? Because this is a consistent strategy. And as I said earlier, people are many times confused. They ask me, Jyotindra, do you really need to spend money? I'm a small company, I'm a startup, I don't have budget. Well, you can do inorganic marketing and organic marketing both. You need to balance. How much money and time you need to spend, that requires a due diligence. Many times people ask me, Zaveri, I am OEM company, I am a kind of B2B company. Should I do Facebook advertisement? Well, yes, you should. Whether you are a big IT company or a manufacturing company or I would say consultant, any kind of business, any kind, individual, also politicians or large corporate, you need to do Facebook marketing campaign. Because when I meet such people, when they ask me this question, you know what I do? I normally show them their competitors' Facebook page. So once I was sitting with a company, a very senior director, fairly large company, manufacturing company, he says, Facebook, yes, my daughter is using. I said, sir, it is not about using Facebook just for networking, but it is about business marketing. So I showed him the competitors' Facebook page, 2 competitors of his size and kind of same product the other competitor was selling. Then he understood that, hey, all these companies are doing really Facebook page. He said, yes, sir, they are. And that is how the person started thinking seriously on Facebook marketing. So remove that doubt in your mind that Facebook is only for B2C, it is for B2B also. For B2B also, again, my name is Jyotindra Zaveri. Really happy to speak to you on this Internet Moguls of the World School. Thank you very much.